Hello students, once again I am with you to discuss certain other things in trigonometry, and today our topic is trigonometric equation. Before we start trigonometric equation, let's discuss something more. This is x squared is equal to 4 is obviously a quadratic equation in x, so it has two roots because the degree is 2. 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, that is only one root because x has power 1. But if I write sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, okay, then this is a trigonometric equation. This is a trigonometric equation. Now the question is that, can you guess how many solutions this trigonometric equations can have? I think no. Initially no. Right now you can't guess. Here you can guess how many roots are there. Here you can guess how many roots are there. But here, this time you cannot guess. Someone will say, sir, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, then theta must be 30 degree. He or she is right, because in 10th class you studied that theta is equal to 30 degree. But I am telling one thing, students. I told that in a unit circle way, in a unit circle method, if this angle is 30 degree, then after moving 360 degree plus 30 degree, 390 degree is also a solution. Why? Because अगर 30 डिग्री पर sin थीटा 1 by 2 है, तो 360 मूव करने के बाद आप दोबारा उसी पॉइंट पर तो पहुंच गए ना. तो 360 प्लस 30 इट मींस 390. तो देयरफॉर थीटा 390 भी होगा. तो थीटा सिर्फ 30 नहीं है, इट इज 390 ऑल्सो. सिमिलरली अनदर वैल्यू विच सेटिस्फाइज दिस इक्वेशन इज 390 डिग्री प्लस 360 डिग्री विल बी 750 degree. And similarly some other solutions may also there. So I want to say that this trigonometric equation has infinite number of solutions. Now my problem is that what we are going to discuss today, what is the system to find what is an expression which gives all the values which satisfies this equation. All the values of theta which satisfies this equation. That is our work. Okay, so let's find this thing. Before we discuss its solution, let's find out something, one thing which is called principal solution or principal value. Students, the value of theta which lies between 0 to 2 pi, okay, called principal solution. Remember this thing. अब आप पूछेंगे कि सर 0 और 2 पाई के बीच में लाई करने वाले को प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन क्यों बोलते हैं? वो एक ट्रेंड है, एक सिस्टम है, उसको हम लेकर चलते हैं. ठीक है, एक स्कूल में 10 आदमी हैं जो सब प्रिंसिपल बन सकते हैं, बट किसी एक को प्रिंसिपल तो बनाया ही जाएगा. वो उनको बना दिया प्रिंसिपल, तो फिर अब उन्हीं को प्रिंसिपल कहा जाएगा. तो एक सिस्टम है, वो एक ट्रेंड है. तो लेट्स टेक द इक्वेशन sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2. See, it is sine and it is positive. So I know that sine is positive in first and second quadrant. First quadrant and second quadrant. तो ये clear है कि the principal value of this equation sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 will lie in first and second quadrant. Okay? In first quadrant the value is 30 degree and that is called pi by 6. Remember, all the angles will be written in radian. And in the second quadrant, I think it will be 180 degree minus 30 degree. Therefore 150 degree, and that can be written as 5 pi by 6. So principal solution, अब इन दोनों में देखो, the principal solution is 5 pi by 6 or this pi by 6. Okay, generally we take pi by 6 as principal solution because this is smaller. Okay, so if somebody asks what about cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, find out the principal solution for this trigonometric equation. Now you see cos theta is negative in second quadrant and in third quadrant. This is negative. So therefore the two values lying between 0 to 2 pi and satisfying this equation cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 will lie in second and third quadrant. Students, the values are 180 degree minus 60 degree, therefore 120 degree, so 2 pi by 3, and in third quadrant 180 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 240 degree, that is 3 pi by 4. So these are the two values. And what is the principal solution? 2 pi by 3. So for this equation, principal solution is 2 pi by 3. Okay students, certain more things we can discuss. You see, okay, if I write tan theta, if I write tan theta is equal to root 3. Now what are the principal value? Students, I am giving you this work for you. You find out what are the, how many principal values are there? 2. Because in 0 to 2 pi, every trigonometric ratio is 2 times positive and 2 times negative, because 4 quadrants are there. One value is 2 times positive and 2 times negative. Okay. So generally students, what we do, principal value, or this is PV. PV is called principal value. We take this alpha. Okay. So if sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 is there, then sin theta can be written as sin pi by 6. And here this pi by 6 is alpha. So we write sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Okay. Take sin alpha to LHS. Sin theta minus sin alpha is equal to 0. So use the formula sin C minus sin D. I already explained you. 2 cos theta plus alpha by 2 sin theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. Now if cos theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to 0, this implies, अब अगर cos में कोई चीज 0 है तो वैल्यू क्या होती है? थीटा प्लस अल्फा बाई 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. याद करो स्टूडेंट्स, n belongs to z, ये बताया है मैंने आपको. ओके. एंड sin theta minus pi, sin theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to 0, then it means theta is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. Okay students. ये इस अकॉर्डिंग आ जाएगा. ओके. साइन थीटा इक्वल टू दिस एन पाई. सो लेट्स कंबाइन दीज टू इक्वेशन. सो हियर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2n plus 1 pi minus alpha, and theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Okay. So therefore it will be 2n pi plus alpha, and n belongs to z will be there. Are you getting my point? Of course you're getting. So 2n plus 1 is odd and 2n is positive, even. So when this is even, then plus sign is there, and when this is odd, then minus sign is there. We have to combine these two results, and that can be combined as n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha, and n belongs to z. So this is the general value, okay, where alpha is principal value. Okay, so it means firstly find out the principal value, and then put that principal value in this equation. If the equation is of sine, I am giving you an example. Suppose you take sin थीटा इक्वल टू √3/2. ओके, सो इट्स पीवी इज व्हाट, अभी जो डिस्कस किया उसके हिसाब से प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू क्या होगा, 0 और 2 पाई के बीच में लाई करने वाली वैल्यू वो है आपकी 60 डिग्री, तो ये हो जाएगा π/3. तो इट मींस स्टूडेंट्स अल्फा जो है ना वो π/3 है यहाँ पर. अब इक्वेशन साइन की है, इक्वेशन साइन कॉस टेन कॉट सेक कॉसेक वो किसी की भी हो सकती है, यहां पर तो साइन की ही इक्वेशन है. तो इफ द इक्वेशन इज ऑफ साइन देन द जनरल वैल्यू, इसको जनरल वैल्यू बोलते हैं, जनरल वैल्यू थीटा विल बी n पाई प्लस -1 to the power n into π/3. I told ना, at place of alpha you keep this principal value and n belongs to z. अगर आप n belongs to z नहीं लिखेंगे तो आपके मार्क्स कटेंगे. तो थीटा इक्वल टू ये आ गया. तो देयरफॉर दिस इज द वैल्यू, जनरल वैल्यू. अब आप n की वैल्यूज पुट करते जाइए, आपको सारी वैल्यूज मिलेंगी. आप n इक्वल टू 1 पुट करेंगे, इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करने वाली एक वैल्यू, आप n इक्वल टू 2 पुट करेंगे, दूसरी वैल्यू, n इक्वल टू 3 तीसरी वैल्यू. आई टोल्ड कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशंस के इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं. ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है वो आपको वो सारी इनफाइनाइट वैल्यूज देगा. एंड दैट वाज आवर वर्क एक्चुअली. Thank you very much, students. In next lecture, we will discuss something about cos. Thank you.